this. Like how you see Shawnee and Israel holding hands.
You put that in
You see me pushing this big cart and I'm trying to get through. And I'm literally just didn't move. And I was like, oh, excuse me. And then the girl had the nerve to roll her eyes at me. I was like, girl, I said excuse me twice and you did not move. Ain't nobody want to see you stick in the back. Listen. Like, what are you doing? I was just so annoyed.
Why you think she thought because you was her
Yeah.
Well, a lot of that be out here, you know that. When they see a new black girl and with they man,
and I guess it's because
they put they man real close.
Y'all saw the
cleavage?
Shirt. Yeah, and she was looking at.
But I mean, you have cleavage without a shirt, don't you?
There's no dress code at Walmart. When it is, you can't wear profanity shirt, nothing.
Yeah.
The lady, the first thing she looks at my shirt. She looks at my shirt. She went. And then her looks at my shirt, and I was like, "Is there a problem? Like, bro, come on now. Like, what's the issue?"
Because she didn't have big titties.
Exactly. Okay. I was just like, "So and you're mad?"
I'm putting some jeans aside, and they want to pull your pants
aside.
Oh, it'd be like, "Get here." That was like from day one. She told me that too. She said, "Oh, I had a very good Puerto Rican friend from Mission Hill. Me and her were really good friends." And she told me a lot of things about life.
Is he trying to sauce this blunt in front of me?
And she was young. She had kids and everything at a young age, so she knew.
Bro, I'm gonna miss my friend. She's going to California. She's coming back like on the 26th of August. And I'm like, bro, you know how long is that? It's away.
It's only like 3 weeks from now. It's August 1st in like 3 days.
Yeah, but I'm like, she's like my working buddy, bro.
Can't believe it's August 1st too, not gonna lie. Damn. Leo life, Leo life, Leo life.
My ability, so I could do cheer. So I have to change my. Hands for school, yeah. Mom's a Leo.
Watch me roar!
But she said the practices are like 3 to 5, like 2 hours.
For what?
Cheer. So I think I'm gonna do like 5 to 9:45. But I need whoever's driving me to drive Mountain.
Really?
Yeah.
On the front of what? It was a...
Do you YouTube Funtos? Like a lot of times that because the way when they package it, it could have been something on it already. Or like during the process of wherever it sits at before they package them. See what I'm saying? They probably got a whole bunch of Funto leaves just all packed up, like laid up or whatever. They're not going to wash them off or nothing. They're just going to roll it, pack it. Roll. Yes, like I do, yes. Not through the pack, no. I think that happens at like, you know, when it's during the time of packing in the plant where they actually seal the packages and stuff. Shanti, can you got your phone? Let me see that as well. That show y'all used to watch when y'all was younger?
No, that's Bumped In or something. I used to watch that.
That's what?
Is it like that show Destiny?
It is, because the little girl, black girl's on here from there.
That blonde girl.
Yeah. Believe me, I know all them shows that y'all gaily used to watch.
I didn't know.
Or a spin-off, whatever you want to call it.
I didn't even know that.
But actually, a lot of them got spin-offs, didn't they? They started on like a show and then they made their own show. Disney does that. Shanti, what the hell? Oh my gosh, Shanti. So... When the hell? I'm trying to go on the Shanti. I'm trying to go on on our page on your phone, and it's saying that it's not connected. You're saying you're not connected. It won't even let me switch accounts. What the hell?
Look my move. My party. I want to. Let me see if I have it.
People kill me. If you gaily click on ism, it doesn't matter if you stay on. I'm still gonna do ism. So y'all folks can do as y'all choose. But it's still gonna help me out in the end. Hey, click, click. Sweat off my set. Hey, Mia. Hey, little Mia. Sorry, guys. My live shut off. My phone died. I said I was only going to do a 7-minute live, but then I stopped running off my mouth and the phone died with bells on. Hey, y'all. How you doing? I had to let the phone charge for a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm probably going to end this live before it die again. And say, what y'all doing? We'll be back. Let my phone charge. I'm trying to get this vibe going before it get too late and my phone die again. Damn it. This what happen when you try to record on the ghetto way and try to just let it charge for like 5 minutes and record again, charge again, then it shut off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, yeah, how you doing? And kick the Willy Bobo for a few minutes before it die because I don't want to look like a dumbass again. Budge, what you doing? Oh, I'm jumping on a Grammy bed? What am I doing? Yeah. Well, I mean, you just said that it was, you used to watch it and this is a spinoff.
I used to watch that in like quarantine.
So when did this come out?
Like 2019.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe like.
I still appreciate it.
I remember. You know what's funny? I had asked her if she knew what Drake and Josh was, and she said yeah.
I don't think she watches Drake and Josh. I actually never seen her
Put
watching.
her on.
She would like that. And in comes little Brian. Hey, little Brian.
Blazes.
There it is. Lisa, come on, stop. Will you stop, please? Damn.
I usually spray them out.
Yo, I'm about to watch Friday. Part 2. See? JP just asked me I work at Walmart.
Oh, he did. Save it. Maybe he's seen you in Walmart.
You work at Walmart?
What does that have to do with
'Cause you
anything?
just said it, I was
Jay, you really think JP's on this live? Save it. As a matter of fact, nobody's on right now. It was just 4 people on and they are. Okay.
Look, I'm obsessed with this new song. Listen, ready?
Ah, see, that's alright.
Okay, you can go ahead and.
But I like Candle because it says.
Isn't this so
Yeah,
good?
you just hear me say, you can go ahead. Don't give me no copyright.
Isn't it so good?
Yeah, I feel like once you're using this one, you actually have to watch it.
Yeah, you have to watch it, yeah. What's it called? Everything went called Mistake Day, right?
What do you mean? Oh,
They ain't gonna say nothing to him about you. That's the last thing they're gonna do. Shanti, on your put a sheet on that bed. Take that blanket off and sheet it.
Oh, that's dirty.
Oh, you said put in laundry.
I am.
They ain't hardly gonna say nothing. Oh, Angel, Brian, what the hell? Brian got a whole family, honey. Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. Oh my gosh, what a little man. And it's really a little man in real
Have
life.
you watched Dawson's Creek?
Oh my gosh, Alisa.
Did you hear her?
Guys, my daughter just said,
I love the theme song.
what?
We
Should I
all grew
watch
up
it?
on that.
Brianna, Alisa, that is a very good show.
I started watching that before I
Michelle
watched
Williams is the
90210.
only one working.
Damn right, Michelle Williams is from Dawson's Creek, Alisa. That's where she came from.
She's on my list.
She was on thing too.
What made you say that? What made you know about Dawson's Creek?
Is that the same one that was in the Halloween H2O?
Who? Michelle Williams?
What was Angel talking about?
Michelle
The
Williams
blonde
is,
one from the show.
she's the one that played in the movie we just seen.
She was the one with that dude from thing.
I don't think
She was with Heath Ledger. That's his baby's mother.
Yeah, she has a kid with people.
Yeah, Heath Ledger was her baby's father.
But she was on Halloween.
And she just played in that movie we went to go see, Steven Spielberg's.
She was on Halloween.
She wasn't on Halloween. On
She
Halloween.
was on thing. On
Which one?
Halloween. Literally the one when he went to school. The dude when he went to school, the guy from faculty. That one.
What?
LL
Busta
Cool J-
Rhymes on
no,
it?
LL Cool J's on it.
I mean, yeah, LL Cool J. Yeah, no, that one's just LL Cool J.
No, there's LL Cool J. The other one's Busta Rhymes and like somebody else. But yeah.
I didn't know she played on that. Did you know that?
Yes, I got to see it again. I didn't really like that.
That's actually my favorite one.
Really?
Yeah.
She was on Brokeback Mountain.
Yeah, she was. They said, I'm pretty sure they met off of that.
Really?
Her and Heath Ledger met while they was making Brokeback Mountain. I'm pretty
I
sure.
guess I'll watch it.
Yeah, Charlotte can tell you every episode.
Dawson's Creek is a very freaking
I
good
like,
show.
and then
And like she said, the opening song is awesome. The song is freaking amazing.
I need a new wallet.
I'm getting this live. Where the happenings is. Brianna, what is you doing? Oh, getting your stretch on, getting your exercise on.
Like how much my budget?
Listen, look why you got an aneurysm. Girl, bye.
Cause I want some.
You see what time it is?
Yeah,
They said they was gonna go out and have
I'm
drinks.
going if y'all go.
Lisa, bye.
I am gonna go. Chelsea said that yesterday.
They said that. Kids want to go out tonight. It's Saturday. Y'all ain't got shit to do. Why you doing that? I done told you like 1,000 times, don't drink out of that damn water. See? Hard head make a soft behind. You see, you was being a smart aleck and karma got you. Right by the sack.
My arm.
By the sack.
Mom, stop recording me.
Because you was in the refrigerator doing something you're not supposed to? I didn't buy that distilled alkaline water for you to drink out by yourself.
I'm not putting my mouth on it though.
Yeah, but you shouldn't do that because other folks like want it too.
It's on the way out. Come on, buddy.
My crazy big black family on YouTube, guys, get subscribed.
ASMR. Did you get it?
Get subscribed. Yeah, I only got one earring on. The other one came off while I was sleeping. And I just had to do my little grease of my scalp regimen, put some oils in my
ASMR,
neck.
ready?
Snatch.
ASMR.
No, don't do that. Move.
Good view.
Elisa, don't back it up. She's in there. Why you going out? Shanti, Brianna said, are you still going out?
Oh, I didn't say that.
So what'd you say?
Who's on here?
Nobody's on here right now. Look, this how you can tell who's on here.
Yo, what's up, mom? No. Where's Kitty? Could you open a can for her?
Elisa, why don't you just buy her cat food?
Because I don't have money, I'm broke.
Well, don't do that. You got money. Don't do that. And if you don't got money, you could have asked somebody for money. Don't do that. Please don't do that. It's annoying. I don't like stuff like that. It's a pain in my ass. Don't do it.
Why?
Because if you truly needed cat food and you asked, you would have received. Don't do
She
it.
asked Tuna, could you open a can for her? How much?
Not me. Mommy just was asking.
But when you gonna go out?
Oh, you're coming back for a month.
Girl, bye.
Stop it.
Whose dishes tonight? Oh, I didn't know.
It ain't mine. Soccer.
Somebody else should be doing chess. And then you see all that.
Took the thing off the